Hello everyone, welcome back to Nail Art by Nessa. I am Vanessa and you can call me Nessa. In this video we are continuing our AliExpress nail art haul. And this video will be more dedicated to display nails and display books. So I do have a display book. And the first item, I don't have the seller. I don't know, I didn't keep that information. But these are just the nails that actually go in the display book. And they are actually flat. So I don't know if you can see that, but they're flat here so that they actually stick into your book. Okay. And this one is the display book. So this one I ordered back in May, so May 25th, and it arrived June 22nd. And I paid $16.34, including shipping, and that's in Canadian dollars. And it's from the Yue Makeup Store. Okay. Maybe I should have grabbed scissors. Okay, so here's the book. So I did get black, and it has this pretty little crown on it. And it's actually quite nice. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. And it has this cute little horse at the bottom. Really love the way it looks. It feels good quality. And then this is where you stick all your nails. And it does have 120 slots. And it says gel colors, but I plan on putting in all of my art in here. So this will be my book of art. Yeah, I really like it. It feels really good quality. It's even got a magnet here, so it pulls together. Yeah, really nice. And for $16, I think that's pretty good. Okay, for this next package, let's see, I ordered it, well, I guess I ordered one item May 26th and the other item May 25th. So this one, it's really wrapped up, as you can see. So I'm just going to unwrap it. Just give me 1 second here. Okay, I finally think I got it open. There we go. Okay, so this is stuck drill glue. So this is for gluing on all your little diamonds and gems and stuff. Let's just see how full she is. Definitely already got it on the scissors. Oh, it seems quite full. It's very thick. Try and get all of the stuff left on here into the pot. Alright, my nails or my hands are a little sticky now, but so I mean it's not super full, but you can see, I mean, the container ends like here, the base of it. It's very thick, so hopefully that works well. We'll have to try it out. Okay, so this one, so like I said, I ordered this one I think May 26th, and this one cost me $4.27. And then I also ordered this little stand. So this stand, the nail display, I paid $6, and I ordered it on May 25th. And this is all from the Nibiru Official Store. Okay, so let's just take a look at the stand. Alright, really cute. Love the little diamond. Okay, and then these little pedestals. So these little pedestals are for our little fake nails here. So it just comes with a little sticky tack here. And you just use a little bit of the sticky tack, stick it down, and then you just stick your fake nail to it, and then you can paint it without touching it, which is really nice. And then these little guys just stick down to here, so they're just magnetic, so that way you have something to hold on while you're painting your nail and you don't touch it. And they're really cute, really pretty little diamond. And it does come with 5, so you can do like a full set. Okay, and that one did come with the sticky tack. Okay, next package. All right, this one, it's basically the same thing we just saw. It's another display. I just really love the little checkerboard, so I ordered this one as well. This one was twice as much though. So this one cost $12.20, whereas the other one was $6. And both of these are including shipping. So this one I ordered June 16th. It arrived July 24th. And it's from the Art Lalic Official Store. I'll have all the names listed below in my description. I might not be saying them right. I don't know. Okay, let's just take a look at this product. If I can open it. Okay. Yeah, so really cute little checkerboard, and you can see it's magnetic, so it holds all your little display pieces. And then another diamond. This one's a little different shaped than the last one. Oops. So the difference between the two. So this one's a little smaller, this one's a little bigger. I'm not sure which is going to feel better in the hand yet. I haven't tried them. Yeah, so I would actually say this one feels a little bit better. It's a little bit more to hold on to than this one. But I mean, I won't really know until I'm working on them. So this one did come with a silver and a gold pedestal. And then as well, it came with, it looks like 5 white and 5 black pieces. So you have enough to do more than a full set of nails. Okay, let's just move on to the next package. Just put this guy back in here. Okay, for this next package, I ordered this one June 23rd. It arrived in August. I guess I forgot to write the exact day. I paid $4.64, including shipping, Canadian prices, just remember that. And it's from the Qunzhao store on AliExpress. Okay, so this one is supposed to be rose quartz, and what it is for. So this little guy is actually for bending your little like gems and things that you get, those little metal gems and things that we usually like to attach to our nails. They're usually flat, so as you know, our nails are curved, and this little guy is just so that you can put a little pressure on it and bend it. So it's got a little groove in here, so you just place your little gem in here, or it would be like a little metal gem, I guess, and then you just press it and it would bend it so that it now fits to your nail. And it is narrower here and wider here, so just depending on the shape of your nail, like for my pinky I would put it more here, and for my thumb I would put it down here. Yeah, so cute little heart. Okay, all right, this one I ordered June 27th. It arrived July 31st. It's from the ELESSICAL Official Store, and I paid $2.76. And these are little like half pearls. So you can see, and I got them in a cream tone as well as in the white. Yeah, they're really pretty. Look at that. There's like a little moon in there. I don't think that's part of it. Yeah. So a full range of sizes in both colors. Okay, and for our last package, this one is from the Art Becauty Store on AliExpress. I paid $1.60. And I ordered this June 27th and it arrived September 15th. And as you can see, these are like the little metal gems that I was talking about. So this is where this guy would come into play. Like for instance, with these little stars here, if you didn't want them to be sticking up on one side, you could use this guy here to like bend it to the shape of your nail. But let's just look at these guys. So I have some little seahorses here, and then some seashells, some starfish, some feathers. These feathers are really pretty. I really like those guys. Some more seashells, just different type, and little pineapples. I really love these little pineapples. I can see using them quite a lot. Okay, these are all the products that I opened in this video. If you have any questions about any of these products or like how to use them, please leave a comment. If you would like to know where I got these guys, I can find out for you. If you liked this video and you want to see more, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you know every time that I post a new video. See you next time, and thank you for watching. Bye!